Apparently, Drew Barrymore enjoying the rain is a problem these days. Here's the video.
You and I both know that you are capable of enjoying the rain and frolicking freely without filming it and then posting it to TikTok. Now, you've just co-signed, okay? You've just co-signed at least 3 million, 8.5 by 11 front and back people who just go out of their way to disrespect and dismiss the boundaries that Black creators have set. And now you're one of those people. So I guess my question would be, why? Why is it so important to all of you to treat us like we don't matter?
Before we wrap up this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, help this video get spreaded out to the algorithm, man. I appreciate that. My opinion on this, man, is very much a reach, and it's just my opinion.